Hi guys. So today was a CUET ka result. I'm going to tell you my score. I'm going to try to put picture here. So this was my answer sheet. Sorry, my scorecard. And this was my score including maths. This was my score excluding maths. Pretty less, I know. Kind of hated how badly they normalized our scores. Like I was scoring 213 or 15 something in economics and they changed it to 174. Insane, right? This is not how it is done. Like I mean ठीक है इतना भी easy थोड़ी आ सकता है 30 तारीख को पेपर दिया मैंने अपना my first exam was on 28th then it got postponed to 30th. Doesn't make any sense. You cannot lower my score this much. खैर उन्होंने मेरा स्कोर इंग्लिश में और GAT में बढ़ाया. Good. And I'm quite surprised. GAT पे मेरी इतने में 97 percentile है, which is like, girl, take a pause. The only thing I want to do for right now is at least be consistent in what I'm doing. It does not have to be anything related to academics. It can be anything, whatever I do daily. It just has to be that, and I have to stay consistent no matter what it is. So I'm really sorry for throwing gang signs. I'm usually not like that. If you'll see me in a person, I'm just like an NPC in GTA. But yeah, and you know, I'm so dumb. I didn't take accounts in CUET, but I could have easily done BCom honors, bhai. Not from top college, but like at least South campus का कोई reputed college. मतलब मेरे option में कम से कम off campus या क्या कौन सा evening colleges नहीं होते. भाई I should have taken accounts. भाई I don't know मेरी क्या मत्ती मरी थी उस समय. मैंने accounts नहीं ली भाई. मैंने I chose the worst combination. Like मैं GAT हटा के मैं accounts ले सकती थी. And I'm good at accounts. Even though मेरे boards में इतने it's only 91 तो नहीं कहूँगी. But like I mean I got a 39 in pre-boards and accounts out of 80 by the way in pre-boards. And boards में I got 91 वो भी after home tuition. But like I really need to work hard on my overall ये in my decision making skills भाई. मतलब बहुत ख़राब है मेरी, बहुत ही ख़राब है. I could have done so much better, you know, if I had taken accounts, but I did not. Sucks. मेरे English में भी बहुत कम है. I only got 77% in English. Like what the heck? I can speak fluently sometimes. अगर मैं nervous हूँ तो मेरे मुंह से तो कुछ भी नहीं निकलता, हिंदी भी नहीं निकलती. पर I could have done it so much better, but I don't know. मैंने ना एक तो भाई डोंट रिलाई ऑन यूट्यूब भाई. जो रिव्यूज़ पे मत जाया करो कि सब ऐसे बोलते हैं ओ अगर आप शोज़ देखते हो कि ये होता होगा वो होता होगा. कुछ नहीं होता. पढ़ना पड़ता है वेदर इट बी ग्रामर वेदर इट बी वो क्या आप. एंड माय नसीब इज सो बैड. आई मीन आई थिंक हर बच्चे के साथ ऐसे होता होगा. तुम 5000 वर्ड्स पढ़ लो वही वर्ड आएगा जो तुम्हें आता ही नहीं है. मार्क माय वर्ड्स भाई हर बार ऐसे ही होता है. इंग्लिश का मेरा ईजी आया था. It was fine. It was मतलब idioms बहुत सारे आए थे, idioms and phrases. But it could have been so much better if only I studied. भाई मतलब I had given up English में. ठीक है. Same goes with maths. मतलब I was like मेरा maths और business साथ में था. ठीक है. तो I was like I can score good in business. Let's skip maths. भाड़ में जाए. I studied business. ठीक है मेरे business में. But it's just all I want to say is don't rely on YouTube videos. Not videos, the reviews. Like लोग नहीं बोलते कि आप अगर आप बहुत सारे इंग्लिश के शोज देते हो, if you watch enough movies, enough you know sitcoms and everything, you will be able to do the English का paper. No, you won't be able to do the English का paper because things come out of the box. Okay. जो आप expect करके जाओगे उसका total opposite आएगा. Keep that in your head. ठीक है? And that's all I want to say. Hopefully I post this. If I don't, मेरी गैलरी में सड़ेगा ये वीडियो. बट होपफुली ना सड़े भाई. अच्छा नहीं लगता. अरे ऐसे मैंने कितनी बार बनाई है भाई. मैं कभी पोस्ट नहीं करती क्योंकि मुझे एडिट करना भी नहीं आता. बट आई वाज टू एडिट दिस. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस. बाय.